What do you think? Do you see that?
The flag.
Yeah. Say Merry Christmas.
Car.
It's a car.
I see something ate the cookie over there.
What ate the cookie?
Santa did.
Santa ate the cookie. Did you see Santa's sled?
Beep, beep, beep. No.
We also got a letter from Pixie. It says, this year has been so much fun. I will miss you so very much. Come find me chilling in the fridge. Where do you think Pixie is?
Beep, 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 baby cake.
What is she doing in there?
Rock.
Huh?
I don't know. They can play hide and seek.
Yeah? She's hanging out with the dog?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So cold.
Are they so cold?
I want to open my big phone.
Okay, well we're gonna do one picture first, okay?
So
Come on, Kinsley. Kinsley, come on.
I'm going to get my other big one. Mommy, I need help with this big phone one. Mama.
You got it?
Go, go, go.
Okay, Riley, you can open up one. Ross can get the trash
I
can.
want to open my
or trash
big
bag
one.
right there.
I can open my big one, so.
Yeah, open your big one. Baby K, open yours.
That's the mine.
Yeah, baby K,
want help?
open it. You want
Get it
help?
right here.
What'd you get, Rye?
I don't know. It's Mickey Mouse.
Wow!
Mouse.
What'd you get, baby K?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, did you get a microphone? Now you can sing?
The microphone.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, that's so, baby K.
Now it's Christmas Day.
I know.
Yeah! It's Christmas Day. You get to open up all your presents. Oh! Oh my God! Who is that? Yeah, Moana.
What? I got these. I paid them for them.
Yay!
You prayed for them.
Yay!
Mommy, you paid it on your phone like nothing.
Yeah.
Whoa! Check these double call. It's a play Paw Patrol crew.
Is it a
Oh,
remote
cool.
control?
Yeah.
You got a remote control car?
Yeah.
Chase is on.
The cave.
Yeah! Baby K, come here.
Kinsley.
She's off to the truck. Baby K, we have more gifts.
There's a Paw Patrol. Look how they like that. Thank you, Santa. I do love Christmas Day.
Kinsley, come on.
Paw Patrol book.
Cool.
And open
It's
this
got
one.
enough for five.
Okay.
It's enough simple. I want to open this one.
Now get that part. Get this part.
Good job, baby K. Melanie and Vic.
You see me?
Wow.
Whoa! It's Marshall. It's going in the bathtub.
Baby K, that's from Melanie and Vic. Can you say thank you?
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
I got this for me. Mommy, look! It's for me and baby K.
Yeah, we're gonna play.
Wow.
Is that a recorder? A little music box?
Whoa! It's my wrist moving. I want Poco in the bathtub too.
Could she go in the bathtub? But is that Ariel?
Yeah.
Wow. Hi, Ariel. Can you show me what it is,
And
Ryan?
the Paw Patrol milk out.
No way. Yeah.
I like this.
Yay.
You say thank you?
Thank you.
Is that what you wanted? The lookout tower?
Yeah.
What's so big? How are we gonna build it? It's so big.
We got to look at the instructions.
Oh, okay. Well, look at the instructions. Let's do it.
Whoa! Whoa! Paw Patrol Marshall, what in the big, it's in the white and the big one. It's so heavy.
A big fire truck.
Yeah.
And Kinsley got a
And the
laptop.
shooters. Shooters
Okay.
come out.
Let me work.
Now you can do emails, baby K.
What is it? Whoa. It popped out.
Is it a bunny? So look at Kinsley. Look at.
Baby, peekaboo is more fun with you. Mommy,
its ears move. Look, its ears move.
Riley, we had an elephant for you. Now Kinsley has her own. She's got a bunny rabbit. Now, does Ross want to open up this gift?
Riley, you want to help me? Yeah, you come help me. Got it? Wow. What's in there?
Gentle, Riley, gentle.
Wow, look what I got.
Look, your favorite color. Your favorite color.
Look what Mommy got me. She got me a long sleeve workout shirt.
Look what is on your favorite color right
I
here.
did, and some pants that I really needed. Okay, let's see what we got. Ready? Are these donuts?
Yeah.
Did I get donuts? Did I get donuts? What's your favorite donuts? The white one?
The Santa one.
The Santa one.
Your favorite color again.
Wow, Mommy got me new jeans. Whoa, I got a nice thin hoodie.
No, no, that's my one present I get to open up.
Wow. Look at this one, babe. Yeah, where'd you get this one?
Mommy, I just got the spindle.
I got a whole new wardrobe for Christmas. Let's go.
Mommy,
Because you wanted stuff that you needed.
Yeah. All right, Mommy's gonna open her gift.
Riley, look at my card.
What does it say? Who is that?
Mommy knows
Can I
that.
read the inside, sweetie?
Mommy, I want to do all my presents today.
Yeah.
It's not like you asked for.
We're gonna do it. Go roll it around.
Yeah,
Do you like it?
that's actually nice. It is nice.
It is. I love it. It's beautiful. I love the rose gold.
Whoa, baby, turn it
Yeah, I
off.
like those.
that
Are there
was
some gifts for Bo under there?
Yes, there's Bo and Max.
Good.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
How's your first Christmas going, babe?
Amazing.
Oh.
We've only had about 4 meltdowns.
Mommy, happy Christmas Day.
It's Christmas Day right now, Riley.
Yeah,
Riley, how many presents did you get?
I got. I don't know count yet.
Are you excited to go eat some breakfast and then open up gifts?
Yeah.
What was your favorite present so far?
Actually,
She said hi.
it's okay because everybody will be there.
Yes, everybody is going to be there. We're gonna have Mimi, Papa, Gigi, Ashley, Pat, Caspian, Hunter, Trang, Chris, Bryson, the whole group. So we're gonna go get some food. We'll show you guys the spread.
And I want to show
My
them
mom.
my vehicle.
You want to show them your vehicle?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll show them your vehicle. So we'll show Chase, everything. Morning was great. The girls love the Jeep. Riley has a lot of emotions. I think it's just overstimulation.
We drove the Jeep. We drove the Jeep all the way to the park. Riley drove amazing.
Yeah, Riley, you drive really well, don't you?
Yeah.
Although you did run over baby K on the way into the garage.
It was a crash. It was like a crash landing / parking job. Sometimes when you park your car and the baby gets in front of the car, you just run them over. Right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Oh
Exactly.
my god. All right. Whew, it's like getting weird. All right, we will see you at the house.
What do you think, baby K?
4 hours over here.
What? Look, did you see the tree?
Say tree.
Look.
Ball?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, there's balls. You're right. All right. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Riley, you can't open them up. Merry Christmas, Dad.
Merry Christmas.
It smells good in here. Merry Christmas, Mom. Mom is cooking. What are you making? Potatoes?
Made them yet.
So
Behind.
we have quiches. We have the French toast. Fruit. Of course, for the kids. Do you want me to cut the fruit?
Yeah.
I'll cut the fruit. Merry Christmas, Pat. Can we see your Christmas sweater?
Sponsored by
Oh, by Sony. Nice. Kinsley, are you taking the Barbies for a ride?
You get a dinosaur?
Yeah. Caspian, you want to say hi to the camera? Look at, you can see yourself. What's on your shirt, Caspian? Is it T-Rex?
Rat.
A raptor. What about on your shirt? Help, Riley, can you open this up for her? Ashley, let's see your Christmas sweater.
Do it. Let's go do parachute guys.
Ashley, Let's see your Christmas sweater. Gremlins. So nice. Didn't you win last year for it? Yeah. Yeah.
See all the things she won?
Yeah.
Got 5.
Merry Christmas, Grandma. You look beautiful. And now Papa's gonna open up the champagne.
I don't know if this is gonna work out.
Let's see.
I've been one of these for a long time.
Woo!
Comes bubbly.
Nice. So we're getting this.
Samurai sword for you, Vance.
Ashley brought over cinnamon rolls. How is it?
Good.
Good? Here, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Very good.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Hi, little hands. Oh, how cute. Hi, Bryson. You're getting so big. Hi, Hunter. Oh, I love your vest. Are you going on a safari hunt? Yeah? Say hi, Merry Christmas. All right, so we got potatoes, bacon, eggs. We got a crying baby. We got French toast, fruit, the quiches, some cinnamon rolls, and mimosas.
Bryson, over here.
Cheese.
Yes.
Good job, guys.
Got them all.
Good job. All right, so we're getting ready for all the Christmas presents. Everyone is getting their presents in order. Ross, what do you think about your first Christmas?
Oh yes, let's go. Just got another gift.
Madison?
Thank you. Oh, this is cute paper.
From Mom, right?
Where'd she find this at? Oh my gosh.
Mommy, I got a lot of presents.
Okay. Nice hip movement too.
Cake March!
Mimi got that for you. Say thank you, Mimi.
Thank you, Mimi! Mimi! What's yours?
Oh, this wrapping paper. Wow, Riley. Hey guys, so I just wanted to close out this vlog. We had an amazing Christmas. I honestly don't know how much footage I actually got, but we will see once I import this on my laptop. But the girls had a blast. They got spoiled with so many presents. They had so much fun. They really enjoyed the Jeep. I think that was probably one of their favorite gifts. And then Riley obviously was so excited for the Paw Patrol tower, which is adorable. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Christmas vlog. I am hoping to bring Vlogmas back next year. If we get everything a little bit more organized, a little bit even easier going, I would love to be able to bring it back to where I can vlog more often. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.